showing you all how to float in water. It's pretty easy. Just you will need all these blocks. Alright guys, so you will need glue block, piston, and a wooden rod. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. Here's how. That's one. That's two. And so you already saw all the pictures. So now I'm gonna show you how to do it. So first, you have to get a glue block and do like this. Put it here, put it here, put it here, and put it here. Now like that. I'll put it in color so you can see it. So, red. So you can see it better, put it like this. But I just had to make a ball in though. So anyways, it's like this. But guys, you can color it however you want. I'm just making it like this so it looks better. But you can make it however you want. So first, this is optional. Ahead. Right, so now we have like the ball already. And then if you remember, all of this is glue block. And then if you want, well, any block, just it can't be like too heavy. Wait a minute. I'm gonna put it to 0.1. And then you can make like little eyes like this. Like that. Bro guys, but you don't have to make the face. Like, I'm not pro at making the face. I'm just trying my best. Who did that? Bro, I hate you so much, Cool Bacon 2. Alright, done. Everybody's eyes. So now, this is gonna be the hard part. So now, we're gonna just go easy and simple. Instead of rods, you can use blocks, but I'm gonna use rods for a better experience. Like that. And then, guys, you can follow these rules and make everything. I'm gonna show you how to do like the Among Us one because that took more time. But anyways, we're gonna do this one. Like the Among Us one, it was an example. You can make it if you want. Just follow the steps. With the glue block, make a body, make a head, then make rods and then pistons and done. Now it was kind of invisible because with the screwdriver, I made it invisible. Because while I find, there we go. Yeah, so while I find the pistons, you try to build it. Trying to find the pistons. There we go. And guys, you can always pause the video to copy. Alright, so now you want to put it facing like that. So you don't, yeah, that. So now that we have it like this. So now, when those rods look ugly, you can make it yellow, or you can make it another material, or with the screwdriver, make them invisible, like that. And if you don't like the pistons, same. Guys, but it doesn't have to be baller. You can make it like him that he made an Among Us. You can do it like just put glue blocks, like do glue blocks, head, body, and all of that, and just and like cover it with titanium, and then like that. Look, see, instead of him, there's some glue blocks. Look, see, like that one. So anyways, and if this look ugly, disable this too. Make it transparent. Then you select all, unanswer. What the heck? Why is this not working? Bro, I unanswered everything. What? What? Wait a minute, guys. Wait a little. Now it's kind of annoying. So this is very annoying. This part is so hard. I'll have to move this a little up. We failed. But now I'm going to show you how to actually do it and it does not fail. So first, delete this block. When we delete it, glue block. We put glue block inside there. And then we got stuck. No, now that we got stuck, we do this. Select all. Rotate. Then now this is the very annoying part. That we have to restart. Because I want to show you like only the simple way, because I don't want to make this video like 10 hours. So look. Boom. 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 Yeah, like this. Like only make the arms. Alright, so look. I hope you're ready to learn how to do it. But I'll show you another way that you can do it. This time it will not fail, I promise. Alright guys, so now that you do that, you can make a head if you want, and a body. Done. Yeah guys, I'm gonna do the Among Us one. Then we're secretly gonna do this. Like this one. Kinda easy because you can do this. Wait, is this? Alright, it's answered. Good. Now, we move it up. Don't worry, because I have a solution to this. Since this video was kind of breaky, and we have to answer after. So we can just make a box. First, we have to delete that, then make blocks up there. Now that we made the blocks up there, we just simply do the final combo. And it's like this. Done. Just stick to it. Now that you stick to it, you make it transparent so it doesn't look ugly. You definitely fix this part. Then make it blue like that. Now that you did, you delete these blocks. Now that you do that, now do this. Now what am I doing, bro? What am I doing? Or you can also make a lever for that, but you will need a wrench, like the tool. And now, enter it. Maybe you want to make a seat, like that, like he did is cool. Look, don't you see? But you don't have to do the same thing, but in the arms. Yeah, you do the same thing, but in the arms. Oh, right, she wants to get on. So, alright, so now we add a seat. We enter. Now make that invisible. Now look. And that's how it works. Bye guys, hope you enjoy.